Hello, this is Right Side Trader, March to a Million. Today is January 17th, 2025, and this is going to be a week review of this credit spread trades that I'm doing to see if I can actually make $1 million within a year or less, the way it's going. And I'm trying to condition myself and get myself where I can actually trade more than the more contracts that I'm trading at this time. I like practicing this stuff because that's how I need to train myself in order to get there. So this is all for educational purposes only. No trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other before endeavoring into trading. All right, let's just jump over to the charts right quick. This is Monday. Monday I did do the actual iron condor and all. It actually worked out pretty good. These trades I'm actually trying to get into the market sometime before 9:40 and be out of these before 11 a.m. This is all Eastern time, and that was a good day. On Tuesday is the day I actually ended up taking a loss. I didn't get in front of the computer on time. I ended up placing only one side of the trade, only a put side of the trade. For whatever reason, my whole mindset is not right. If I haven't looked at the market, I'm realizing there's some rules I came up with. I think I did put that video out there on those little rules that I came up with. And I do get defensive, and I'll try to make money back if I start getting into a losing trade. I will be showing some of that stuff, but I won't get into the details of that. You will see the trades, but that's pretty much it. But let's go ahead and go down to Wednesday and see what we see there. On Wednesday I got back on after going through a day and doing a review of actually what I did and all. I got back to my iron condor, did a 59.80, a 58.80, placed it on time before that 9:40 time frame and all, and out of these trades usually before 11 o'clock and all. Let's go ahead and go down to Thursday. On Thursday, also an iron condor. Let me squish this down a little bit where you can see the range on this. I ended up selling an iron condor at 60.10 and 59.50. These trades are 10 wide is what I normally do and all. So, and as we can see, this trade would have worked out for the complete day. The thing is that I don't want to get into thinking I can hold these things all day. I'm usually only looking to I like making $1 on my trades, to be honest, and all if I can get $2 or more credit on them, and or I end up taking that 50% thing that people have talked about, and also I've gotten where I heard the new data that came out is better to maybe even take 25% on these trades of the credit that you actually receive. So I've actually even been thinking and adjusting to that. But here on Friday, right quick today, I did a couple of trades today. And I did do 2 iron condors, and I'll be showing you the details on that. And it was at 60.20 and 59.70. I was in the trade on time this morning, and I was out of this trade before 11 o'clock. Pretty sure on both of these on both of the trades that I actually placed. And I placed both of these trades today because it seemed like the option credit was a little bit higher than normal that it has been throughout the week. So that's what prompted me to actually do a second trade. I'm also at a point where I am not having 2 of these trades on at the same time. I only have one on, and then I saw it's still before the 11 o'clock cutoff. I'll place another one and be in and out of the market. And that was pretty much it on the trades. All right, let's jump over to the spreadsheet. I'll let you see the numbers, what actually happened. Let me share that screen right quick. And all that screen is right here. Boom, boom. You should be seeing that screen right now. This is the 13th. This was the first trade of the week. Should have been an iron condor. It was an iron condor. You can see the numbers here. I actually got a 95-cent credit on it. So got a $1.55, close it for 60 cents, got a 95-cent total make on that trade, and this number may not be right. Let me correct this number. I did start off with 200 contracts in the beginning of the week. It wasn't until this day here on Tuesday I did just the put spread. I got a $1.80 credit and all, and this is the trade that ended up going bad on me. I start fighting it by selling, more. I should have put the call on and all, and I started selling my call spreads, but I'm only taking like 40 cents, 30 cents, 20 cents, $1 and something, And then I ended up closing that put spread that I had on for a 62-cent for $6.20 loss. So I ended up today. I did another quick little put spread, and I was thinking about doing it, but then I said, "Oh, you're done. Be done with this." I ended up taking it, getting out of the trade. Escape. I'm messing up my spreadsheet. Ended up getting out of the trade for the day, and ended up down, $40-some thousand and all. So I had to do a review after that, and I made some rule change. Number one rule change: make sure I'm in front of the computer on time, so I definitely get this trade executed before 9:40. I like to get it closer to that 9:30, 9:35. The other thing that I changed also is that I only do 100 contracts. That's actually really more realistic for most of my accounts and all. That's more realistic. 200 contracts, really not. It can be done, but I probably shouldn't be doing anything like that anyway at a 10 wide spread the way I was doing these trades. So that's another change that I have made. And then as you can see, since I made that change, I still got where I like getting like that full dollar or 50% on those trades when I think I can do it. But here on this day here, I only got only that 25% on the trade. Yep, only 25% on the trade there with the 55 cents. This day here, I got closer to that. I got closer to that 25% again on the trade, only getting 75 cents. But I got, like today, like I said, today there was a larger credit that was out there. So again, I ended up doing a second trade because I saw the way things was bouncing around, and I did another trade to get that right here. And the other day I was complaining, making a statement about how the platform is giving me okay feels. The feels are good. When I open the trade, the opening of the trades actually match pretty good, or not as good as some of my live trades and all. But then the close of the trade in the virtual account was giving me better feels than what I was actually getting in the live account. But the live account was actually taking just longer to actually fill those trades. And today I did see the same thing, but again, in the virtual account, it does get to that point because again, live and virtual are set pretty much the same on the exits. So I am okay with what's actually happening. Like I have said before, I know it's going to take me a little bit longer, as long as the market is cooperating, to get out of those live trades at the price that I'm trying to get out of at. And that's pretty much. Let me just take one more look at. We'll take a look at, the numbers and all in the virtual account, and so you can see that and see what I'm talking about instead of just this stuff on the spreadsheet. I am pulling the data from there for the spreadsheet to keep track of things, and we can go to this monitor tab. This I don't know why it's showing 20,000 for today. I didn't think it was that much for today. It is 20,000 for today, and all that is correct. The other numbers that people might be looking at is I started this account out at 100,000, and I'm up over. My profit year to date is 125,000. But I think this number right here, you have to actually take commissions out of that number. And when we go to the account statement tab, you'll see those crazy numbers. Commission and fees, is kind of crazy and all, but it is what it is. As long as you're making money, you're okay. It's just money that's coming in. They're getting a piece of whatever you're making in the market and all. But this is pretty much, these are the trades. You can 13th right there, 17th. Right there, so you can get to see it. You can see everything here if you really want to freeze it and see what was actually happening. I'll scroll down here where you can see the actual trades. If this is a little better view for this week for SPX, I didn't trade anything else this week anyway. I don't believe, but these are the trades here. Again, just scrolling through here where you can actually see this and all if you want to see it and all. Let me scroll all the way to the bottom because now where you can see this commission stuff, how it's really adding up over $17,000 in commissions, But we're making money, so it's not a big deal right now, That's it. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Let's keep this going. Talk to you later. Bye.